Hello, today you're looking at a Udylite 2000 amp 9 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit is wired for 230 volt input. Overall dimensions 38 inches long by 22 inches wide by 60 inches high. It's rated for 68.9 input amps and 25.2 kVA. Does have tap switch controls on the front. We'll take a look at that here in a second. Very nice working machine, very quiet machine. There is the tap controls. To start up, hit the start button. Come around here, take a look at the O-scope, very subtle. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.